unboxing the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. Comes in this little plastic wrap. We will just take off like so. Bam. Throw that out. Shall I adjust our light here? Okay. Now we take this little plastic wrap. Just tear it off. I said tear it off. Okay. Ooh, this is the 3rd generation Echo Dot. Now, the reason why I got an Echo Dot and not like a big Amazon Echo or anything like that, because I already have a Google Home Max. And so I don't need all that kind of negativity in my life. Okay, alright, so this is the power brick for it. We make sure we take this plastic off. It's so fancy. Oh yeah, hear that? Oh yeah, 15 watt. There it is. Things to try. So if you guys would just want to have a hint of how to use your Alexa, you guys can just like pause the video at this time and read the list. Alright. Take the cord out, take this rubber band off, and it is not your typical micro USB connection, it is this power adapter. So it appears you have an audio jack on the back as well. So, here we are. What we do with this plastic back here, just toss it back in the box, toss the box. Alright, so this is probably going to be where my Alexa will be. See, this is also the Google Home Mini. Okay, I will probably put it right here. Bam. Nice and even with everything else. And yeah, that's basically unboxing it, and yeah.